Hello, Star Wars fans. You know, with May the 4th being right around the corner, I got really excited when I got this box delivered to me today. So I ordered this about a week and a half ago, expecting it to be half the size. Um, didn't expect half of what I found inside of this box. I haven't gone through this box 100%, but for the most part, I already know what's in it. But I think it's exciting enough to go ahead and share with you, and perhaps you too can go ahead and get one of these. They are limited edition, so I don't know how many they're going to have. As you can see, it says Star Wars is going to have the Rise of Skywalker up on top. Of course, Rise of Skywalker has been around for going on a good 4 or 5 months now. So the movie's been out, so there are a couple of obsolete things in here, but I'm okay with that. So the box itself, as you can see, is fairly large, and it's got a few images from the Rise of Skywalker on it. So we got Ren and Rey. My favorite image that's on this box, right there. That's my favorite, especially the one with the droids. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this, shall we? So when we open this up, as you can see, the top stays open by itself, and it's got these really nice handles or ribbons over here to keep it from falling backwards. It's got this really nice picture of Rey on the front, and this is part of it right here. So over here, this is the exciting part right here. I love these pins. I didn't expect these pins to be inside of this. They are heavy, so they are well worth it. But these pins right here, let's see, what do we have over here? So this one right here is going to be for the Jedi Order, and this one right here is going to be for the Rebel Alliance. And I haven't taken these out yet, so let's go ahead and let's open these. Let's take these out of the packaging. I can add these to my collection that I have. So, oh, shut up. They're spins. They spin. Look at this. Watch this. This is nice. Oh, I love this. Put the backing on it, so that way put the backing on it, so that way I don't stab myself. So it looks like, so as you can see, they spin. Oh, they don't spin so much with the backings on them. Oh, I see what it is. So that way you can choose one side or the other. Now this is really cool right here. As we can see right here. Like I said, these are fairly heavy. Oh, there we go. So that one right there is for the Rebel Alliance. Let me see. This one's for the Jedi Order. Look at that one. That was for the Jedi Order. I wonder if the back side has the Galactic Republic. Which the other one's part of the Galactic Republic. Or the First Order. So, let's see. No, honestly, I'm going to be honest in saying I don't know what that symbol is. If there's anybody out there that can help me identify that symbol for me, please. That's on the other side of the Jedi Order, right there. So if you know, do me a favor, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what that one's for, and let me know whether or not this one is definitely for the Galactic Republic right here, or maybe for the First Order. I don't think it is. I'm almost positive it's going to be part of the Alliance itself, much like that one's part of the Alliance. And then this one right here on this side is going to be part of the Jedi Order. Right there. Those are really cool. Like I said, they are heavy, so they have you could even hear them You hear them land, so they have some serious weight to them. Really, really nice pins. So let's move a little bit deeper into the box. Over here, this is the part that's a little bit obsolete, obviously, because it is a neck lanyard. And again, I haven't taken this out of the package yet either. So this is a neck lanyard, and it's so that way you can get yourself an IMAX ticket to go see The Rise of Skywalker. Still nice. So available in IMAX. You can upgrade it to an IMAX ticket. And let me see this neck lanyard here. So my ID, I usually use a Disney one, but something tells me I may replace it with this one. That's nice. I like that one. That one's pretty cool. So that's really nice. So that's it for this side over here. Over here we have a few other things that are available. We have a bonus R2-D2 earbud holder that you pop out right here, and there's a QR code back here too. So if you scan the QR code, it gives you a playlist that you can play off of several different radios. Spotify is going to be one of them. In fact, let me go ahead and let me show you the radios or the music players. You can tell I'm not very up to date on things like that. I don't even wouldn't know what you call them. Again, what do you call those? So let me scan this QR code. Go to the page, and it allows you to, if you can see that very easily. It doesn't look like it. Maybe if I turn down my screen a little bit. You have Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube, Vivo, Pandora, SoundCloud, and Tidal. So it allows you to, yeah, again, still can't see it, but that's okay. But those are the ones that you can listen to the music from Star Wars on. Let's see, also right over here. This right here is a decal of BB-8, and I haven't decided where I'm going to put this yet. I may keep it in the box. I haven't quite decided. Maybe in my car window, perhaps. Right here is talking about the official Star Wars app and things that you can find in the official Star Wars app. It's just a little brochure about the app. That's all that is. So, some pretty neat stuff so far. Drop that over there. You also have two popcorn buckets. These popcorn buckets are pretty cool. They're small, but you know, if you're like me and you're supposed to be on a diet, it's a good way to keep the portions small, huh? See how you do that? Instead of devouring an entire bag of popcorn by yourself, like I have a tendency to do from time to time. So you get two of these right here. They're really they're solid. They're really nice. So there's two of them. And also inside of that, you have a little surprise inside of this right here. Straws. So these straws right here, plus a little straw cleaner. That's the kind of straw you take Disney with you, right there. So that way you don't have to worry about those paper straws. If you don't like the paper straws, it's a texture thing with me. I don't like them because it's a texture thing. But this also comes with a cleaner for the straw also. So that's pretty cool that it comes with that. So take them and take your straws back to your hotel each night and clean them away for the next day. You don't have to worry about those paper straws anymore. So the really cool stuff is right here, and I didn't expect this at all. This is cool. Watch this. Look at his leather bag. This leather bag is amazing. Love this. Ooh, smell that leather. Look at that. Huh? This is really cool right here. So you got all sorts of pouches right here. Maybe a good one for a cell phone, perhaps. Said I haven't been through this, so I don't know what all. There's another one. You have one of the bigger phones, I guess. What have you? Let me see. It even has pouches inside. Now that's cool. So right here, you see, it even has a pouch inside. That's really nice. And check out the zippers at the end of the zipper. They once again that's cool. Yeah, this is really nice. I didn't even expect this inside of this bag, inside of this box. So let me see here. This is also pretty cool. You get two of these. Doesn't necessarily get too incredibly cold down here where I'm at, but nonetheless, these boggans are really nice. Here's the other one. Love these boggans. In fact, that bag and these two boggans right here make it all worth it. It is very thick, well made. This is something that if I saw this, and if I was especially my friends back in Massachusetts and family, and even my friends that are on the West Coast, living up there in the wonderful, beautiful state of Washington, as chilly as it gets, I would be buying these because they are gorgeous pieces of clothing and boggans. Love them. Absolutely love them. Last but not least, we have a tin, and it comes with a couple of Velcro straps. It's like your 3M that you can put on your walls, so that way you don't have to worry about damaging the walls. So it already comes with, ta-da! Look at that. A couple of Velcros. And like I said, this is a tin. That is amazing. So this is definitely going to be hung up somewhere up here inside of the Disney room. Obviously, I got all of that Star Wars stuff hanging up over there. So perhaps somewhere up over there is where this is going to go. And then last but not least, on the very bottom, there's nothing actually left inside of the box, but there is a little bit of a surprise down inside of here. There's another image from the movie itself. Right there. There we go. So that's down on the bottom of the box. So this box only costs $49.95 plus shipping. And like I said, I ordered it about a week and a half ago, so it wasn't too incredibly bad. So where do you get this from? You get it from the Disney Movie Club. So the Disney Movie Club is something I've been a part of for several years now, and it is a fast way to build your Disney movie collection. And now that they have acquired Fox and a couple of other stations, they have such a wider selection of movies. So the Disney Movie Club is where I got this box from, $49.95. They have another one out right now, so if I have anybody in there that's big Avengers fans, so Avengers Endgame, they have a box just like this. It's Avengers Endgame, and I don't know what all is inside of that one. The ad says that it has 4 tumblers, popcorn buckets, possibly kind of like this right here, and a few other items. What those other items are, I really don't know. I knew that this box was going to have the popcorn buckets, and that's because it advertised that it had popcorn buckets. So I figured, for 50 bucks, I like the box. I like the popcorn buckets, but I was expecting the box to be half the size that it really is. So the Avengers one more than likely is going to be the same size, and of course it's going to be about Endgame. The thing about the Avengers one is that that one is $59.95 if you want to get that one. This one here is $49.95, and they only have these for very limited amounts of time. They did have a frozen one available when I ordered this one. The frozen one is gone. Endgame is here. So unless they put them on a rotating basis, I'm not completely certain on that one. However, um, it's guaranteed that they'll be creating more of these. And what I think I'm going to start doing is I'm going to buy the ones that I'm interested in and do an opening of the box after I get it in, so that way you can see what's inside of it, just in case you decide that you want one as well. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe at home, and May the 4th is only a couple of days away. And don't forget, may the force be with you.